Intro. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into one of the most exciting and important topics in tech today, artificial intelligence, or AI. Whether you're a student, tech lover, or just curious, I'll explain everything in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when machines are designed to mimic human intelligence. That means they can learn from data, make decisions, and even solve problems, just like we do. You've probably already seen AI in action. It powers things like voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, face unlock on your phone, games where computers play against you, and even this video recommendation on YouTube. AI isn't magic. It's a mix of logic, math, and data, working together to help machines learn and get smarter over time. Where do we use AI in daily life? AI is everywhere, even if we don't realize it. Think about it. Google search uses AI to show the best results. YouTube and Netflix recommend what to watch next. Online stores suggest products based on what you like. And GPS apps predict traffic and suggest faster routes. Even self-driving cars use AI to understand the road and make decisions in real time. How does AI actually work? At its core, AI works by learning from data. Let's say we want it to recognize cats. We show it thousands of cat pictures. It looks for patterns, like ears, whiskers, or fur. Once it learns the pattern, it can say, "That's a cat," even if it's never seen that specific picture before. This learning process is called machine learning. And when we use advanced models that mimic how the human brain works, it's called deep learning. Types of AI. There are three main types of AI. Narrow AI. This is what we use today. It's good at doing one thing really well, like translating languages or playing chess. General AI. This would be an AI that can do anything a human can do. We haven't built this yet. Superintelligent AI. Smarter than any human. This is still science fiction, for now. Is AI dangerous? AI is powerful, and like all powerful tools, it needs to be used wisely. People worry about things like job loss due to automation, AI making unfair decisions if it's biased, or in the future, AI becoming too advanced too fast. That's why developers, researchers, and governments are working on making AI ethical, fair, and safe for everyone. Why AI matters for you. No matter what you do, whether you're into coding, business, art, or gaming, AI is changing how the world works. Learning about it today gives you a huge advantage tomorrow. Who knows? You might even create your own AI tool someday. Outro, and that's a simple explanation of artificial intelligence. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what AI topic you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.